Selena, Class 10, Chapter 9, Matrices. Multiplication of a matrix by a scalar, real number. To multiply a matrix by a scalar means to multiply each of its element by this scalar, by that real number. Take an example, 3 into 4, 1. So 3 will be multiplied by each of the elements. 3 into 4, 3 into 1 equal to 3 4s are 12, 3 1s are 3. Second example, 2 into 6 minus 4, 2 0, which is equal to 2 into 6, 2 into minus 4, 2 into 2, 2 into 0 equal to 2 6 are 12, minus 8, 4, 0. Half into 6 minus 4, 2, 0 equal to half into minus 6, half into minus 4, half into 2, half into 0 equal to 3 minus 2, 1, 0. Exercise 9b, sum number 1, evaluate. Part 1, 3 into 5 minus 2 equal to 3 into 5, 15, 3 into minus 2, minus 6. Second part, 7 into minus 1, 2, 0, 1 equal to 7 into minus 1, minus 7. 7 into 2, 14. 7 into 0, 0. 7 into 1, 7. Third part, 2 into minus 1, 0, 2 minus 3 plus 3, 3, 5, 0. First we will multiply this. 2 into minus 1, minus 2. 2 into 0, 0. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into minus 3, 6. Bring down this matrix. 3 plus 3, 3, 5, 0 equal to minus 2 plus 3, 0 plus 3, 4 plus 5, minus 6, 0 equal to minus 2 plus 3, 1, 0 plus 3, 3, 4 plus 5, 9, minus 6 plus 0, minus 6. Fourth part, 6 into 3 minus 2 minus 2 into minus 8, 1. 6 into 3, 18. 6 into minus 2, minus 12. Minus 2 into minus 8, minus 16. 2 into 1, 2. 18 minus into minus, plus 16. Minus 12, minus 2. 18 plus 16 is 34. Minus 12 minus 2 is minus 14. Answer is 34 minus 14. Second sum, find x and y if first part 3 into 4x plus 2 into y minus 3 equal to 10, 0. First we will multiply 3 into 4, 12, 3 into x, 3x plus 2 into y, 2y, 2 into minus 3, minus 6 equal to 10, 0. 12 plus 2y, 3x minus 6 equal to 10, 0. Comparing the corresponding elements, we get 12 plus 2y equal to 10, 3x minus 6 equal to 0. 2y equal to 10 minus 12, minus 2. Y equal to minus 1. 3x minus 6 equal to 0. 3x equal to 6. X equal to 2. Second part, x into minus 1, 2 minus 4 into minus 2y equal to 7 minus 8. First we will multiply x into minus 1 minus x. x into 2, 2x. 4 into minus 2, minus 8. 4 into y, 4y, equal to 7 minus 8. Minus x, minus into minus, plus 8. 2x minus 4y, equal to 7 minus 8. Comparing the corresponding elements, we get minus x plus 8 equal to 7, x equal to 1, and 2x minus 4y equal to minus 8. X is divided by 2 on all the sides. We get x minus 2y equal to minus 4. X is 1. So instead of x, we will write 1. Minus 2y equal to minus 4. 2y equal to 5. Y equal to 5 by 2 equal to 2.5. Third sum, given a equal to 2, 1, 3, 0, b equal to 1, 1, 5, 2, and c equal to minus 3 minus 1, 0, 0. Find first part, 2a minus 3b plus c. Substitute the values. 2a is 2, 1, 3, 0, minus 3, b is 1, 1, 5, 2, plus c is minus 3 minus 1, 0, 0. First multiply. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 1, 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 zeros are 0. Minus 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 5s are 15. 3 2s are 6. Plus minus 3 minus 1, 0, 0. 4 minus 3 minus 3. 2 minus 3 minus 1. 6 minus 15 plus 0. 0 minus 6 plus 0. 4 minus 6 is minus 2. 2 minus 4 minus 2. 6 minus 15 minus 9 minus 6. Second part, a plus 2c minus b. Substitute the value. A is 2, 1, 3, 0 plus 2, c is minus 3 minus 1, 0, 0 minus b is 1, 1, 5, 2 equal to, first multiply. 2 into minus 3 minus 6. 2 into minus 1 minus 2. 0, 0 equal to 2 minus 6 minus 1. 1 minus 2 minus 1. 3 plus 0 minus 5. 0 plus 0 minus 2 equal to 2 minus 7 minus 5. 1 minus 3 minus 2. 3 minus 5 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2. Fourth sum, if 4 minus 2, 4, 0 plus 3a equal to minus 2 minus 2, 1 minus 3, find a. 3a equal to, taken to the right, minus 4 minus 2, 4, 0. First we will calculate this. Minus 2 minus 4 minus 2 plus 2. 1 minus 4 minus 3, 0. Minus 2 minus 4 minus 6. Minus 2 plus 2, 0. Minus 3 minus 3. 3a equal to minus 6, 0, minus 3 minus 3. Divide by 3 on all the sides. We get a equal to 1 upon 3 into minus 6, 0, minus 3 minus 3 equal to minus 6 upon 3 minus 2. 0 upon 3, 0. Minus 3 upon 3 minus 1. Minus 3 upon 3 minus 1. A equal to minus 2, 0, minus 1, minus 1. Fifth question, a equal to, given a equal to 1, 4, 2, 3, and b equal to -4, -1, -3, -2. Part 1. Find the matrix 2a plus b. 2a matrix is 1, 4, 2, 3 plus b matrix is -4, -1, -3, -2 equal to, first we will multiply 2 into 1, 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Now we will add with b matrix 2 -4 -2, 8 -1, 7, 4 -3, 1, 6 -2, 4. Answer is -2, 7, 1, 4. Second part, find a matrix C such that C plus B equal to 0, 0, 0. Therefore, C equal to 0, 0, 0, 0 minus B equal to 0 minus, substitute the value of B, -4, -1, -3, -2 equal to 0 minus into minus plus 4, 0 plus 1, 0 plus 3, 0 plus 2. Therefore, C equal to 4, 1, 3, 2.